Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with images in PowerPoint presentations. I'm going to teach you how to load image from your file system, how to append that image to a slide, and how to manipulate location and the size of that image. So first of all, we are going to load the Officer library into this session. Then we are going to create some empty document. And at the end, we are going to export everything we have done into this document pptx. So now we are going to import actual picture. Image is going to be external img, and I'm going to provide path to logo underscore r png. That is a picture from my local directory. And now I'm going to append this picture to our slide. But first we have to create that slide. So document, ph width, first argument is going to be document, second argument is going to be this image, it's fine now, and third argument is going to be location. And location is going to be ph location type, and for type I'm going to set body. So this image is going to be located at body part of this slide, and if we run this code, you see everything went well. And now I'm going to show you the content of this document. You see, we have our image, but this looks a little bit odd. Why? Because this image, it's actually set at body part, and what we missed title part. And how we are going to solve this, let me show you. Instead of using ph location type, we are going to use ph location full size. And if we run this code right now, let us check what we got. And you see, this looks much better. And what if you would like to have some predetermined size of this image, and to set that image exactly at center of this slide? Is that possible? Yes. But that procedure is going to take a little bit more work than usual. Let me show you how to do that. So first thing that we actually need right now, it's object of slide size. How to get that object? Object size is going to be slide size of this document. So now this is going to hold width, and from object size we are going to take width. And now we are going to take height, and now I'm going to change something in function external img width, and I'm going to ask for width to be 2.5 inches, and height is going to be exact the same. So with this optional argument, we could demand actual size for our image. And now we are going to find the left location. Wi divided by 2 minus 2.5 divided by 2, or let's say 1.25. So what this actually means, as you know, left, it's actually position or left border of our location. And what this calculation actually does, so width of slide size divided by 2, it's actually going to be at the middle of this slide. And if you subtract 1.25, and what is 1.25? 1.25, it's actually half of width of this external image. So we are going to get exact location of our left border. And how to get top location? In exact same way, we are going to divide height by 2, and then we are going to subtract 1.25. Once again, 1.25, it's actually 1/2 of 2.5 inches. And height divided by 2, it's actually middle of the slide. So now we are going to create custom location. Location is going to be ph location, and left is going to be left, and top is going to be top, and now width is going to be 2.5, height is going to be 2.5, and this will be all. And now, instead of this ph location full size, we are going to provide this custom location. And if we run this code right now, let me see what went wrong. It's a typo in here. Everything is fine now, and let us check the result. You see, we have image 2 by 2 inches set at the center of this slide. So this would be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!